Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Otanu Betal, and in this video we discuss about the fear in the exam time or getting poor marks in the exam. This type of fear is very common because if a student is not prepared for the examination, so this type of fear of getting poor marks is very common thing. Okay, so the question is that what is the solution of this problem? We generally look for the solution of this problem. The fear, it is completely completely wrong one. You don't need to get any fear about the poor marks in examination, uh, because you know the time when you feel about that in this examination you get you would not get the good marks. That time what will happen, your emotional due to your emotional reason, emotional weakness, your confidence level decreases, your confidence level getting down because of the fear. And because of this fear you cannot perform well in the exam, because one fear factor will make you more fear. Okay, and for this reason you are totally becoming a fearful person before sitting examination. So for this reason what we have to do, study more. Study more and think less. This one is a solution of this problem. If you find that you have the possibility of getting poor marks or very bad marks in the examination, then study more. This is the only solution of this problem. Study more and think less about the poor marks or bad marks, etc. So think less about marks. Do not think about the result or the marks of the exam. You think more about the study, because study is the only factor and that can give you a better marks. So for this reason, when you are in the state of fear that if I get poor marks in this exam, I would not promote in the next class, etc. So in that time you have to think about that you're thinking about the poor marks does not give you any solution. Your solution is only study more and less thinking about your poor marks, because if you think more about the poor marks, that time your confidence level decreases, your confident your confidence level get down, and you cannot study well at that time. When your confidence level gets down, you cannot study more. Your energy of studying will disappears. You will lose entire energy of your studying, because you already have a fear that if you get a poor marks. So for this reason there are some solutions, like uh, study more and practice more number of questions. In this time, study time, practice more number of questions. And if you find that you have any problems in some questions, then consult your teacher or friends. Consult your teacher or friends at that time that you have some problems about some questions, or you have some fear about the examination, that you would not get good marks in the examination. So what I can get, or what I can do right this time? So that time your teacher will suggest that read these questions, and then after reading this type of question, write in the examination, because some questions will must come from this marking question, and write all the things, all the answers correctly in the examination, and you at least get a better marks. Okay, so at that time that you are feeling that a bad marks, because you are feeling a fear of bad marks, or you are getting lost of your interest in the examination, or during the result timing, when result publishing time, most of the students get fear that what would happen, poor marks may come, etc. This type of uncertainties give them in the, or turn them in the fear state. So these are very dangerous problem. Fear, you don't need to be fear of. Okay, whatever had happened, you are getting poor marks, you are getting failed, doesn't matter, because by getting fear, it's not the solution. It is common that human being gets fear in this time, that he is getting poor marks. But I think to before getting this type of fear, you must consider this thing, that I don't need to fear more, I don't need to think about the marks anymore, I need to study more. So this is the solution of this problem. This is the problem, that in exam time fear, or poor marks getting fear. So to overcome this fear, this is the solution, the study more. Other, there is no solutions. If there is any solution, then you can write in the comment section, sir, this is the solution. Okay, it is the only key of removing this fear. So do not waste time for thinking about the fear. Do not waste time, do not think about the marks, study more. This is the main aim in this time of fear. Study more and get a good marks. Study more and get a good marks. So this is the solution of this problem. This is a problem, fear of getting poor marks in the examination, and the solution of this problem is study more and think less about marks. So, and do not waste time, think less and about the marks. The do not think about the marks, and do not waste the time for means thinking about marks and your performance. So this is, I think, the solution of this type of problem, fear problem. Actually fear is very common thing, very common thing for any person. But this fear can give you more bad result, more poor result, because due to the fear you lose your confidence, your that time the things that you learn correctly in the time of fear, you will forget that, you will forget all the learning, and in the exam hall you will see, I do not learn this question, I do not learn this question, I learned this question, but what was the answer of this question? Actually due to the pressure of fear, you forget answer of the questions that you prepared well even. Okay, so due to this fear, the means your good preparation, good prepared question answers is also become like you don't know, you are not practicing this anymore, etc. Means your good practicing problem also will become a hard problem this time, because because of your fear. So fear is a very important factor, and you have to handle your fear. And if you can control your fear in this stage, you can get a very good marks. So don't try to be about fear of your examination or fear of the poor marks in the examination. So that is the discussion. I am making this video to say you the solution about this problem. It is a very common problem for when I was a student, still I am a student. When I am in the school level, or I was in the school level, that time this fear is also I experienced this fear. So for this reason, this is very common type of fear, and the solution of this fear is only study more. So this is the discussion about this topic. I think you like this topic, and if you find this video is interested to you, interesting to you, not interested, this video is interesting to you, then like this video. And if you want to watch this type of more videos, then open the playlist from this channel and watch this type of more videos. In this channel I made the playlist like career graph and study skill. In this type of playlist you can find these videos, more number of these videos. Thank you for watching this video, and you can subscribe this channel.